Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make easy salmon curry. So let's get started. I've got here half a cup of plain flour, 3 fillets of salmon which I have washed and cut into chunks, 4 cups of water, some oil for cooking, 1 medium onion chopped, tamarind the size of a golf ball, some curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 1/4 cup of water to make the curry paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of hot chili powder, or you can add it according to your taste. Some salt to taste and half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds and 4 cloves of grated garlic. To make our curry paste, take a small dish, add your curry powder, chili powder, turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of water and give it a good mix. Now put this aside. Take your salmon pieces, add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now take 1 salmon piece at a time, coat it with the flour and put it on a plate. Repeat this with the remaining salmon pieces. Take a big dish, add your tamarind and your 4 cups of water and mix it well and let it soak while we fry our salmon pieces. To cook the salmon pieces, take a wok or fry pan, put it on medium heat, add some oil and heat it for 2 minutes or until the oil gets hot. Add a few salmon pieces and fry it for 1 minute on each side. Take them out and put it in a dish. Repeat this with the remaining salmon pieces. To make salmon curry, put a pot on medium heat, add about 4 tablespoons of oil and heat it for 1 minute. Add cumin and mustard seeds and cook it for 30 seconds. Add chopped onions and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Add the curry paste and cook it for 1 minute, stirring it continuously. After 1 minute, give the tamarind water a mix and add it to the spices using a strainer. Use the back of a spoon to squeeze any extra pulp out. Give it a mix and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, add garlic, give it a mix, put a lid on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape and boil it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a mix, add salmon pieces, give it a quick mix, put the lid back on and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, give another mix. Be careful not to break the fish pieces and taste your salt. If you have added extra salt, then cook it for further 1 minute. After 1 minute, taste the salt again. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I am using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My curry is ready. Let me dish it out and show you. My easy salmon curry is ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.